Lowrider problems, lowrider problems. But they're coming to rescue.
The screen popped out or the ball joint?
It looks like just the screen popped out. The screen and the ball joint.
Oh no, the screen, no, I think the screen just popped out.
Yeah, the ball joint. Oh no, the ball joint broke.
Yeah. But where's the spring at? Oh, okay, maybe he does. Yeah.
Ball joint. The guy's bringing a ball joint right now.
The back of the 6 must go back. Oh, you were speeding? Big one? Yeah.
I have a 3. All I had was a 3-hole in the truck.
That's all right, let's still hold it.
Hey, give me a hammer.
Hi, my dad. Thank you. But that's not your personality. You are.
Try to jack up the jack.
Yeah.
See a good spot? Yeah. Good slide.
Careful, Bert. Tell me when. You did too?
Te dije, campe.
Al contrario, esto le dije.
Yo ya le dije. You can let it down.
Tell you what.
Go ahead. Really like that?
You like that till you get to the ball point. You want happy? I got inside.
I need a hammer though.
A ver si no se mayugó ese güey. A ver si no se mayugó.
You go get my little hammer? Not this.
Trust me, everybody's.
Oh, you get dirty, bro.
Like this. My car broke. Take a wild guess.
Well, 2 years ago, right here, we had a
Ando.
Well, we have to get all the attention. You know how Lady Lowriders do. We get all the attention.
Let me with the vice grip.
No, no,
Hey, you want to learn? You gotta pay to learn.
Mira, trabajo en equipo, mira, yo te pongo el aire.
This is a demonstration.
Es una demonstration. Lowrider problems. Lowrider problems. Demonstration.
Right? Tiene que comprarle cada uno. Ay, mamá, dame.
Yeah, that's cool.
You don't have the scoop by any chance?
Oh, this is fucking dumb.
Tiene un Give me my hardware.
It's alright, I ain't tripping.
Bird's my hero, man.
what, like 30 minutes tops?
Right? 30 minutes, right?
30 minutes tops. Boom, boom.
That's right. Thank you, homies.
Yeah, that was good stuff. High class. Coming through. Oh.
You have my lonja.
It's ready to go. It's back in business.
Dang, that's crazy,